Hey y'all, back at you with another video. R. Marie Dozier. And I just finished pre-pooing my whole head. And I had the braids in for about maybe 2 days or so. I just did it section by section. So say like I just want to do one section this day, another section another day. And then I end up doing the front in one day. So today I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, condition it, deep condition it, blow dry, etc. So I'm going to be using products sent to me. Special thanks to Naked for sending me some conditioner, shampoo. So the products I'm using today are going to be sponsored by Naked. I want to give a shout out to Kristen Lustre. Thank you for sending me these products. I'll put in the description all the products I used. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go shampoo my hair and then you guys will watch me condition. Alright. So I just washed my hair out with the Moisture Repair sulfate-free shampoo by Naked. Automatically, it smells really good. Like, it smells, I want to say like herbal. It smells real herbal, and I think it has a lot of vitamins in it too. Yes, it's got C vitamin, it's got B vitamin. It smells really good. It smells really good. And plus, I can just tell my hair is clean, I guess you could say. Like, I don't have anything left in my hair. Maybe I got like a little bit of aloe vera leaf just because I didn't take out the aloe flakes from the leaves. But other than that, my hair is pretty clean. Yep, my scalp's clean. Everything is looking pretty thorough. So I'm gonna go put a deep conditioner on now and set underneath the dryer with oil and deep conditioner. I'm actually gonna use a different deep conditioner outside the lime, but that's the only thing that's probably not by them. So I'll see you in a minute. The deep conditioner I'm gonna use is actually not sponsored, but I'm just gonna use it.
because that's the one I have at home, and there's no beauty supplies. So we'll be using MIELLE Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask on my hair for my deep conditioner. I'm still working through my hair, and I'm going to add like oils and whatnots, and then brush my hair, and go underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes, so see you then.
Alright, I finished deep conditioning my whole head. So now I'll just put a plastic bag on and go underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes. And I put oil in my hair, so it's deep conditioner and oil. So it's like a hot oil treatment and a deep condition. So I'll come back after I get back from the dryer and after I wash it out. Alright, just rinsed out the deep conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and start using the Naked Moisture Repair. Oh, wait. Where is it? The Naked Honey and Almond Moisture Whip Conditioner. Naturally strengthens the hair shaft. All right. Start applying it, the Naked Conditioner. Alright, I'll check back in with you when I finish applying it all to my whole head. Alright, I just finished putting the conditioner all on my hair. It smells real good. Like almond really stands out. I noticed that it's got real good slip, like it was easier to detangle. So the conditioner is dope. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out and start using the leave-in conditioner. Be right back. Alright, just washed out the conditioner. About to go ahead and start LOC, which is a leave-in oil and cream. And I'm going to be using the Naked Infusion 365. It attracts in hair, detangles hair easily, protects hair when styling. So it's like a leave-in, I think. Okay, it smells good. I'm gonna use this in combination with the Naked Moisturizing Cream. So, check back with you when I finish putting all that on all of my hair. The leave-in and the cream. Alright, finished my whole head. About to go blow dry and trim my ends. Alright, finished blow drying my hair. I'm gonna measure it, and after that, braid it. All right, see you then. And that's it. Finished braiding my hair, and that about covers it for wash day. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for the people at Naked. Shout out to Kristen Lester. Thank you for sending me the products. I enjoyed them. All right, take care now. You hear?